event number 24 for 7 to 8 50-meter butterfly. This is heat number 2 of event number 44, boys 7 to 8 50-meter backstroke. Swimming in lane number 1, Katikbak Gavin. Lane number 2, Nunez Noel. Lane number 3, Korea Cullen. Lane number 4, Lacaro Mark. Lane number 5, Manon 7 to 8 50-meter burst.
Once again, coaches, parents, and swimmers, don't forget to take your group picture here at the Lipa City. And